golden hour at Karon Beach in Phuket, Thailand. It is 5:45 p.m. and the sunset is gonna come in around 20 minutes. And I am taking the last swim for today at Karon Beach, approximately 1 kilometer away from my hotel. As earlier today I was at Kata and I was exploring there, but it was mainly cloudy over there, and I thought that it was going to be cloudy still, but yeah, I'm getting now very good sunlight towards the end of the day. And Karon Beach I have shown you earlier as well, but not with so much sunlight in the evening, that is. And I am now approximately at the middle of the beach. That is a bit more quiet compared to where the central area is actually. So yeah, beach adventures with Chris, and once again from Karon Beach in Phuket, Thailand. Let's see if it's gonna be a nice sunset like 2 days ago, but it looks like it is going to be actually. So let's then get going and take a swim in the Andaman Sea. You see this part of the beach that's a bit further from the central area, it's a bit less crowded and more beautiful, as it is also wider, the beach itself. And there are very few people in the sea as well over here. But yeah, I didn't mention that it is 16th of December 2024. I just can't believe that this year will end in 15 days. It feels surreal. And also we have now less than 9 days until Christmas. I'm gonna be staying here for Christmas in Thailand. So yeah, I was actually celebrating Christmas last year as well in Cyprus, where it was also very warm, not as warm as here. In Cyprus the sea was around 20 degrees, here we have 29 degrees, and in the air it was a bit chillier in Cyprus because it was basically winter. Here it is summer in Thailand, and 29 degrees Celsius. In the air it was earlier today, now it is 28, and 29 degrees Celsius in the sea as well. And I just love looking at the sun when it's late in the day and it's not so dangerous. And yes, so let's see. Oh, here we have also some waves in Karon Beach. It looks so amazing and beautiful. All right, then we are ready for the swim here in the beautiful Andaman Sea. Let's go! Beautiful. Ah, so nice. Karon Beach, ladies and gentlemen. This is how it looks like on the sunset hour. Oh, now here we have a huge wave. That was a huge one. It's so nice with the foam. Here we have another one. Let's see. Wow. Have you seen all the wave foam that it appeared? Woo. Very nice. Amazing. Here we have some waves. Perfect. Sunset plus waves, perfect combination to end up the day in the best possible way. All right. So I'm gonna be enjoying a bit more in the water until the sunset. And yes, that's a wrap from this sunset spin at the Karon Beach in Phuket, Thailand. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Queen!